another ScanForce recording. Today we're going to show you ScanForce wave picking. There are two methods to do wave picking. One, create a wave in your Sage system. The second one will be able to create the wave from the scanner itself. Both center around the concept of grouping multiple sales orders together to pick all orders at one time, walking a warehouse in the most efficient method possible. The first one we're going to show you is creating the wave in Sage. Under the ScanForce module, I'm going to go into wave picking entry. I'm going to choose to grab the next available wave number. You can add a description if you want. I'm actually going to create a wave for a particular customer, demo distributors. So I'm going to put that as the description. And then what you can do is you can select your orders here below. If you're not doing it for one single customer and just have a list of orders that need to go out for the day, you can select individual orders here, once again grouping them together. We also give you a nice little tool here, which is an order selection. So you can see the options here on how you can create this or how you can group the orders together for the wave. I'm going to select a customer here, demo distributors. When I say OK, I'm prompted to go ahead and explode the wave. So what it did was it looked in my system and it sees that I have two orders that are open for this particular customer. That's what's going to make up the wave. I say accept, and I'm going to deny printing the wave pick sheets, but you could print those off and even put barcodes on those if you want. Now to actually pick the wave, I'm going to go onto the scanner here, log in, launch order processing and wave picking. From here, as I mentioned, you could print off the wave sheet and then scan off of that if you barcode it. You could key this in or utilize the lookup, which connects up real time to your Sage system, and you'll see the wave we just created is here. I select that wave, it connects up to my Sage system, grabs that data for the information on the wave, and displays it for me now, telling me where to go and what to get. Because I have this set up with the DSD ScanForce multi-bin install, I do have to indicate a bin location. This is the location that items are going to be staged to, which I have set as a shipping bin. And this is the directed picking side I mentioned a minute ago. It's displaying for me where to go. So for the first item, bin B3A, the item, and it even shows me the order number here. Now, you can go through and scan items. You can select from this lookup. So if you're on a forklift, for example, and you're not able to actually scan a barcode, you could tap on the screen. That also could be disabled, forcing the user to actually scan the items. When you select an item, confirm your bin, enter your quantity, you continue on. As you pick the items, they will drop off of that display, so you'll only see what's left to pick. When you're done, send your data over to your Sage system. It's going to alert me that I didn't completely pick that order. That's fine. That allows someone else to then go and finish the picking later if they want to. Or when I send my data and it warns me if I thought that I had picked everything, I could actually review this and then correct whatever I missed. I'm going to send it over. Once back in Sage, it does a few things. The first thing is it's going to update the ScanForce dashboards in the order status now that it's in the process of being picked. Then it'll move over to packaged and then shipped. It also updates the bin allocations at the order level, so I know that it's now in shipping, and it does a bin move, removing the items from the bins they were pulled from and placing them in that staging bin. Now the next option here would be if I wanted to create a wave from the actual handheld. So once again, in wave picking, I can hit the drop down here and I want to create a wave. This would be if you get a stack of orders, for example, to go ahead and ship for the day. I can pull up those orders and start scanning them if they're barcoded. Scan my order number, connects up, grabs that order, adds it to the wave, add my next order, does the same thing. Once I've added the orders I want to pick together now, I back out of this. Here is the wave that was created. I can at this moment now even go right in, grab that wave, and start picking that. Once I go ahead and accept it, I once again have the same screen displaying where to go, what to get, and I can complete the picking of this sales order, group of sales orders as well. Thank you for watching this, and be on the lookout for additional future videos from us. Thank you very much.